Hi, I'm Cora and today I want to share you some details about our change service or SAD. This service helps you modernize your elevator system quickly, cost effectively and with the perfect fits.
Our SAD has two parts. First, we're modifying existing controllers, both our own and third-party system that use our components. And second, we provide retrofit kits for older controllers like BP300 or BP115, upgrading them to modern models like BP408 or BP308.
And our retrofit kits introduced since 2018 and make upgrades faster and affordable. You only replace the specific components, not the whole system. This saves costs and reduces installation time. But why upgrade? It ensures that spare parts remain available and allows replacement outdated or broke components. Plus, you can order new features that older controllers cannot support. Depending on the controller type, we offer different solutions.
For example, BP300 or BP302 controllers can be upgraded to BP408.
To process your request, we need some documents. For our controllers, please send us the controller number, PDF documents and the photo of the open controller cabinet. And for third-party controllers, we will need the full information about diagrams and additional information. Once we have these, you will get a detailed offer in about 2 weeks and delivery takes up to 6 weeks. For important cases, we can deliver faster. You can find more details on our brochure Retrofit Kits for Elevator, or you can send us an email on sad@Böhnke+Partner.de. Thank you for watching and see you next time.